guys, what's up? It's Lila from the 123 Triple Sisters. I'm going to be making some slime. So, I'm going to add some clear glue.
That's enough.
Yep. Now I'm going to add a tiny pinch of glitter glue. And now some food dye that I put on a spoon. It's green food dye, so it's going to turn out like clear slime. Yeah, it's going to be really cool. And I'm going to mix it up fully, like that. Now, Zara. Zara is going to be telling me, Zara is going to be telling me how much activator to use. So I'm just going to start off with some. One cap. Sounds like cup. Funny. Look at the cup. Zara, come tell me how much activator. Pouring in some more. Starting to form, really. Not really much, though. So, gonna keep stirring. Zara, is this enough? Zara, is this enough? You need to?
Yes.
Why? Green slime. Look at this green slime. This is amazing. The green slime is kind of activating. I need to add a tiny bit more activator. Okay, so mix it up again. Okay, so it's starting to form. I don't think I'll need any more activator now. Yeah, I really don't think I will. Now, look at it. It's forming. Now, since it's working, I'm going to lift up the bowl, put this here. Here it is. Look at this. Right, so. And there's oh my goodness. Look at this. Wait, we're going up at bed at 6.
No, it's just, I want to put the slime away.
Oh, okay.
And because it's jet lag, so it's later for us.
I'm not jet lagged from it.
Well, we are.
So what time is it?
Go.
My goodness. See, look at this. It's crazy. Still activating, kind of. Well, here, once this works, here, okay, it's starting to form. Starting to form now. Oh my goodness. So my clear glue, the clear glue slime that I used was a success, everyone. Yes. So I got this like new table. See here, holds that and that. And I just got it today, and we got all these new slime materials today. Fun new cool stuff. This was a success, everyone. Yeah. Alright. So, thank you for watching the video. And happy holidays. And you have a good rest of your winter break. And Happy New Year. Okay. Make sure to subscribe. Bye.